for Join Sephora Beauty Insider. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search sephora.com/beauty insider, which will lead you to this page. Here, click on Join Now. After you've clicked on Join Now, create an account if you don't have one, or click on Sign In and then sign in to your Sephora account. Add your email address, password, and press on Sign In. After you do this, you are an insider. Basically, you will need a Sephora account, and if you have an account, you're an insider. And if you scroll down, you will find different reward options. You can shop to earn points, and you can also browse the rewards bazaar. Here, you can simply exchange points with products. And this is how to join Sephora Beauty Insider. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.